our planet to our home. Exploring Ficus elastica, Comprehensive Care and Propagation Guide. Hello everyone, in this video we'll be delving into the world of Ficus elastica, also known as the rubber plant. With its large, attractive leaves, this ornamental plant has gained popularity as a top choice for home and office decor. Let's dive into the details of this remarkable plant. Is ficus same as rubber plant? Ficus elastica, the rubber fig, rubber bush, rubber tree, rubber plant, or Indian rubber bush. Indian rubber tree is a species of flowering plant in the family Mori, native to eastern parts of South and Southeast Asia. It has become naturalized in Sri Lanka, the West Indies, and the U.S. state of Florida. Ficus elastica belongs to the ficus family and the genus Ficus. Admired for its large, glossy leaves, it is renowned as a favored indoor decorative plant. History. Originating from the tropical forest of Southeast Asia and northern Australia, Ficus elastica made its way to Europe and the United States in the late 19th century, quickly captivating enthusiasts with its allure. Scientific name. The scientific name of this plant is Ficus elastica, derived from the Latin word elastica, meaning flexible. For conditions N. Now, let's explore the care conditions for this beautiful plant. Soil conditions. Ficus elastica prefers well-draining soil. A mix of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Watering needs. Ficus elastica is considered a moderate water plant. Allow the soil to dry between waterings, avoiding both overwatering and excessive soil moisture. Place the plant in a location with suitable lighting, preferably near windows with filtered sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight exposure. Temperature and humidity. Ficus elastica thrives in moderate temperatures, ideally between 15–25 degrees Celsius. It adapts well to moderate humidity levels. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, use indoor plant fertilizer. Reduce fertilization during colder seasons. Plant propagation. For propagating Ficus elastica, consider methods such as root division or taking healthy cuttings. These techniques yield the best results during the spring or summer. Here are some common propagation methods for Ficus elastica. Stem cuttings. Take a cutting from a healthy, mature stem. The cutting should be about 6–8 inches, 20 centimeters long. Remove the lower leaves to expose a clean stem. Allow the cutting to dry for a few hours to prevent rotting. Tips. The cut end in rooting hormone optional but can promote root development. Plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the cutting in a warm, bright location with indirect sunlight. Roots should develop in a few weeks, and the new plant can then be transferred to a larger pot. ficus air layering. Choose a healthy and mature branch for air layering. Remove a ring of bark about 1–2 inches, 2.55 centimeters wide from the selected branch. Apply rooting hormone to the exposed area. Wrap the exposed area with moist sphagnum moss and cover it with plastic wrap. Secure the plastic wrap with twine or rubber bands. Roots will form within the moss ball. Once roots are well developed, cut the branch below the rooted section and plant it in a pot. Division. Divide an established and healthy rubber plant into multiple sections. Remove the plant from its pot and carefully separate the root ball into sections. Each section should have a portion of the stem and a healthy root system. Plant each section in a new pot with fresh potting mix. Water the newly potted sections and place them in a shaded area initially, gradually introducing them to brighter light. Leaf cuttings. And take a healthy leaf and cut it into sections, each with a vein or petiole attached. Sit the cut end in rooting hormone. Plant the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix, burying the cut end and leaving the petiole exposed. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the cuttings in a warm, bright location with indirect sunlight. New plants will develop from the base of the leaf. Pests and pest control. Common pests for Ficus elastica include spider mites, scale insects, and aphids. To control pests, inspect regularly. Check the plant for any signs of pests, such as webbing, sticky residue, or discoloration. Isolation. If pests are identified, isolate the affected plant to prevent the infestation from spreading. Natural remedies. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil as natural remedies to control pests. Pruning and decor. Remove heavily infested or damaged leaves to control the pest population. Placing in a pot A. Use a pot with drainage holes to facilitate the removal of excess water. During potting, ensure that the roots along with the soil are completely transferred. Placement in the home. The ideal location for Ficus elastica indoors is in the living room or bedroom. This plant is recognized as a beautiful and resilient indoor decorative plant. Is the ficus plant poisonous? The Ficus plantaphore is generally considered non-toxic. Most species of ficus used as ornamental plants or indoor trees are not poisonous and are safe for humans and pets. This video is over. I hope it was useful. Please comment your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe. Be happy and healthy.